Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Today we'll be unboxing a new vacuum robot which is iLife V8 Plus. It can sweep as well as mop. So it came in an outer box which I've already removed, and inside it was properly packed with this cardboard. Let's open and see what's inside. Here is the warranty card and the user manual. It provides 1 year of international warranty. Here is the card and the user manual. And this is the robot. Let me take it out. So let's have a closer look at it. On top of it there are some buttons to select the mode, to start it, and there's a button to schedule it. Then here it's written turn on the power switch before starting, and power switch is indicated here. So let's have a look. Here is the power switch, and next to it is the charging point. You can charge it directly without the charging dock. This side is flexible, probably for collision. Let's turn it around and see. At the back side we have a suction port which is about 6 to 7 centimeters in length, and it can be opened for cleaning. Then there is a wheel in front and places for side brushes, and left and right is clearly indicated. And there is a cliff sensor here in the front and 2 cliff sensors on each side. So in all we have 3 cliff sensors. And these are the rover wheels. And this is the dustbin. So let's open the dustbin and see. I have to push it and pull it out. This is the dustbin. There's a warning: no washing, no soaking, do not wash, high performance filter. There is a motor here, and some of its place is occupied with this motor. And here are the filters. This one is high performance filter. You cannot wash this, needs to be replaced. Then apart from it there are 2 more filters, and only this one looks like it's washable, others are not. Let's place it back. So this is all for the robot. Now let's have a look at other accessories that came in with it. These are side brushes. Total there are 4 brushes, so 1 set is extra, and we have 2 pair of batteries and a cleaning brush. Then this is the water tank. Again it says no soaking, and the capacity is 300 ml, and it comes in with a microfiber mop. Here is an extra high performance filter, and this is the charging dock. Here is the adapter to charge. Then this is the remote. Remote is pretty basic. We've got buttons to select the mode, then the suction power, and here are buttons to move forward, backward, left or right. And in the center we have a play and a pause button. Then this is the virtual wall and an extra mop. So that's all in the package. I want to use it for a couple of weeks before going in for the review. So if you're interested in a review of this product, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you stay updated with the upcoming videos. And if you have any concerns or queries regarding vacuum robot, please drop in your question in the comment section below.